You think saving money makes you safe.
Meanwhile, inflation is quietly eating it alive. 10,000 rupees under your mattress today, in 10 years, it buys less. Same paper, smaller life. That's the first mistake people make. They treat saving and investing like the same thing. They're not. Saving is parking the car. Investing is actually driving somewhere. Step 1. Build a cash buffer. 3 months of expenses. Boring money. Emergency money. The kind you hope never becomes interesting. Step 2. Automate investing before you see the cash. Index funds. SIPs. Simple. Because the financial industry loves complexity. Complexity pays them. Here's the uncomfortable math. At 4% savings interest, your money barely survives inflation. At 12% market returns, it doubles roughly every 6 years. That gap looks small early on. Then time weaponizes it. And this is where the irony kicks in. Most people wait to feel rich before investing. But investing is usually how people become rich in the first place. Not overnight. Not through trading screenshots or finance influencers standing next to rented cars. Just consistency. Decades of it. Which raises a strange question. If time is the real asset, why do so many people spend years waiting to start?